how to add friends in Dragon City. The first things first is of course access or pull up your Dragon City account. Now for you to be able to make this work, make sure that you do have a Facebook account for you to be able to socialize with your friends and play with Dragon City. Now once you are successfully run the specific game, now all you have to do is just to press on social left side of storage, so tap on that, and then under friends to tap in here we go. Now right here, all you have to do first is to sign in with your Facebook account and it's gonna be automatically be connected. Now right here, this is gonna be all your social media friends who is playing with Dragon City. If you wanted to invite friends that is not or that haven't created a Dragon City account, then just simply access or share Dragon City link from the Play Store and send it to them via maybe Instagram, Snapchat, or Messenger for them to be able to download the app. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can add friends on Dragon City.